So if you break down SEO and what it is into its core components, it's actually just parts of other marketing. So example, what they refer to as on-site SEO. So working on the website, right? All that really is, build a great website. Build a great website that loads quickly, that has a really good user journey, that has great content that answers all your customers' questions. That's a great marketing, right? So that ticks the SEO box of on-site SEO. Right? The next one is to say, what they call backlinking in SEO, or all the links you can get from other people's websites to your website. There's things to market your business well, is you should be found on all the main directories. So in Australia, it's True Local and Yellow, Yelp, word of mouth, Womo, all those main directories you should be found on, right? So that's just good marketing. Your marketing coordinator assistant should be building all those for you, right? So that ticks that SEO box. It's just branding online. And then the final piece of the puzzle is your game, is right? It's that content marketing. So this, how do you get an article in the industry magazine? How do you get your publications to pick you up, right? So that's all about producing great content. So doing all those things of marketing a business, you're actually ticking all the SEO boxes. So you can then ignore SEO because you're doing all the right things under the other headings. Does that kind of make sense, Mike?
Yeah, absolutely. So I'm just thinking about, because I worked with tools like Search Metrics, where you SEO optimize blog articles, for example. And I'm just thinking myself, okay, did I waste my time? It's just all the skill. I mean, I got it, and you're completely right. Google is becoming smarter. So actually, is it really necessary to have a tool to SEO optimize a blog article? Just deliver value up front. So give your best shot in every piece of content that you have, and Google will love you in any way. It doesn't matter if you use search metrics or not.
Correct. Okay. Spot on the mark. So you know what? When you do a blog article, you need to put a good title on it. You need to describe what it is. The meta description, you need to describe what the article is about. It's got to have a good flow to it. And so that's all you need to do. So there's nothing else you need to do to that article. As long as it's a good article, it engages well, it's to your target audience. And the beauty of doing that is that you'll get rewarded today by Google, you get rewarded tomorrow by Google. But as Google gets smarter and smarter and smarter, in 6 and 12 months time and 18 months time and 2 years time, he's going to reward you more because it's a great bit of content. Whereas this concept of let's produce some content because Google wants you to, hogwash. Produce great content that's for your target audience. You should be producing content just for the sake of content.